Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ujuvemekaaj. If this is your first time of seeing me, please kindly subscribe to my channel. And for those of you, my UGV family, thank you for keeping up with me. Thank you for your love and support. In this makeup video, I am just going to do my makeup routine. And yes, for those of you that don't know, I have my makeup brand, the UGV Cosmetics, and it is made up of UGV foundation, UGV concealer, and I also have my makeup kits. This is a 12 brush and pieces set, whereby if you want to do your makeup, you don't need any extra accessories because the complete makeup accessories is in this UGV makeup kit. So if you want to know more about my product, I need to check me out on my website ujuvbeauty.com, or just go follow me up on Instagram UGV Beauty, TikTok UGV Beauty, like all social media platform UGV Beauty. So kindly enjoy this makeup tutorials. I'm just going to do my normal daily makeup routine, whereby I'll be using my foundation, my concealer, and my makeup kit. But the thing is that before you do your makeup, you have to first of all, clean your face. Make sure your face is clean and use your primer. Primer is good so that your foundation can stay longer on your face. And yes, if you are that person that have oily face, because there are a lot of people, they have really oily face or skin, you can just first of all apply loose powder on your face before you start with your makeup routine. So I'm just going to use the UGV foundation, and yes, kindly enjoy the video, and I will look forward to seeing more of you guys. Kindly go visit me, support me, and patronize me. I promise you will love my products. Kindly enjoy the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do, and yes, let's be one family on UGV channel. Do have a fabulous day and stay safe with your family. One love. Bye bye for now.